Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Vscode, a SQL extension, and your database credentials. Once done, open Vscode and install a trusted SQL extension. This provides connection UI and query runner. Next, create or locate your credentials: host, port, username, password, database name, and verify network access. Make sure the database accepts connections from your IP or set up an SSH tunnel. These steps get you ready to add a live connection in the editor. Now configure the connection. Open the SQL extension, choose New Connection or Add Profile, and enter host, port, username, password, and target database. If necessary, select the right authentication method, SQL Auth versus Integrated Auth, and set SSL or Trust Server certificates. Once entered, click Test Connection to validate reachability and credentials. If it fails, read the error and adjust host, port, or firewall rules. Finally, save a named profile so you can reconnect quickly and run queries with a saved profile. Open a new SQL editor and select that profile to connect. Run a simple test query such as select one or fetch a small table to confirm results and permissions. This verifies both access and query execution. Use the extension's Explorer to browse schemas, tables, and run scripts. If something goes wrong, inspect extension logs, verify credentials, check firewall or SSH tunneling, and ensure the DB user has proper privileges. That troubleshooting step solves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.